Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to install a free VPN on your Xiaomi 12 Pro device. First, I have to tell you that the free VPN is not safe to work with or you ban content because free VPN doesn't protect your private data. So at the very beginning, open your web browser to open 2ap.io website. Thanks to this website, you can see how all websites see your location. In my case, it's Poland, and it's true. But now, just open Play Store, find here Turbo VPN. Click on it and click install. Wait a while and click open. Click agree and continue. Then tap on the cross on the left top corner. And cool, now just click on the caret in the center of the screen, click OK, wait a while and success. We are connected now. And now we can check how websites see our location now. So open 2ap.io website and reload the page. And we are in the United States in Los Angeles now. So as you can see, my ISP is unknown and I'm in the United States now. It's working very good. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.